let's come on to part 6. And part 6 saying, explain how females are gaining more power in the family. Okay, remember one thing, that you have basically two band in the 6 marks question. Number one, bank said 1 or 3 marks you will be able to get if you give a limited awareness of the question, or the idea that we will present will be underdeveloped. So we have to follow band number 2, that would be that you have to provide a well developed argument, that we will write it over here. And number second, make sure to use maximum sociology terms. So this is what we are going to do in these questions. Question is saying, explain how females are getting more power in the family. So we have a lot of argument to support this phenomena. Number one, feminist movements. Okay, rise of the single parents families. So increase of working women, they are financially strong enough, that's why they are getting more power. So we have a lot of reasons, we will write it over here. So let's start. That female are gaining more power, you can pick the first line from your questions. This is the best way to start your answer. So females are gaining more power in the family. Females are gaining more power in the family through several mechanisms. Through several mechanisms. Number one, we can start from the feminist movement. Feminist movements, let's say, it encourage woman to challenge the patriarchal norms, patriarchal norms, leading to more equality in family roles. Leading to more equality in the family roles. Number second perspective that we can write it over here, the rise of the single parent family. The rise of single parent family often headed by women. Woman has increased female authority in the family decision making. Okay, one more argument that you can write. Additionally, the increase in the working woman and their financial contribution and their financial contributions has shifted the power dynamics, allowing women to have a greater say in the household matters. So this is how you have to answer for this 6 marks question.